20-second tips
for home learning.
Welcome back to another 20-second tip for home learning. Today, I thought I would discuss everybody's favorite topic, prioritizing tasks. Now, as a student, you get thrown so many things from so many different angles, and somehow you're supposed to pick and choose exactly the right thing to work on at any given moment. Now, I'm not going to say this is the only way to do things, because really, if you find a system that works, then do it. But I thought I'd share with you what works for me so that you can try it out yourself. So, here's my attempt to explain prioritizing tasks in 20 seconds. First, organize your projects by length. Then label each of those as either completable or ongoing. Then start with a session on your longest ongoing project, followed by completing your shortest completable task. Organize the rest of your day going back and forth between projects, making sure the short, completable things act as breaks for your longer projects, and making sure tomorrow's assignments get the highest priority. I think I made it. Here come the credits! If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back next week for another video. Also, I've thrown a link to my blog and Instagram below where I share even more home learning tips and tricks. And now for the random fact of the week. One piece of spaghetti is called a spaghetto. That sounds really useful.